Hello, singers! Welcome back to Vocal Evolution, the place to unlock your singing potential. I'm Marie-Laurence, and today I have for you a simple and easy 5-minute vocal warm-up. A vocal warm-up to sing with clarity and control with no instrument needed. Whether you're getting ready to perform, record, or just want to improve your voice, this quick vocal warm-up will set you up for success. Let's get started. Think of your voice like a muscle, just like an athlete warms up before a game. A singer needs to warm up before singing. A proper vocal warm-ups helps you to avoid vocal strain, improve your vocal tone, and extend your vocal range. The best part? You don't need any instruments, just your voice. Step 1, deep breathing. Step 1, take a deep breath through your nose, filling your belly, not just your chest. Exhale slowly on a tss sound. Let's do it together. Inhale. Exhale. Great. Practice this exercise 3 times a row to relax and control your breath. Let's do it again. Inhale. Great. Let's do it again. Inhale. You can practice this exercise anytime. Step 2, humming. Close your lips and hum gently. Feel the vibration in your lips and nose. Slide up and down your vocal range like a siren. The humming wakes up your vocal cords without strain. Step 3, NG sound. Say the word sing and hold the NG sound. Sing. Slide from low to high and back down. Sing. Sing. Song. NG sound helps you to connect chest and head voice smoothly. Step number 4, lip rolls. Relax your lips and blow air through them. Start high and slide down. Lip roll will help you with breath control and vocal flexibility. Step 5. Resonance. Now we're gonna sing on V. We're gonna slide from a low note to a high note. We're gonna add a vowel. Va. V. Vo. Voo. Smooth and connected. When you say V, your lips vibrate, creating a forward sound placement. This helps focus your voice in the mask, making your vocal tone clearer and stronger. The V sound is great for improving resonance and breath control. It also controls airflow, training you to release air smoothly without wasting breath. Practicing long, steady V sounds helps singers sing longer phrases without running out of air. And there you have it, a quick, easy vocal warm-up that gets your voice ready to shine. If you want more vocal tips, make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow my podcast on Spotify. Keep practicing, keep singing, and I'll see you next time.